it takes is 3 simple ingredients to make a magical vanilla bean whipped butter. Now, it can be used on just simple toast to finish off a dessert, but my favourite way to use this butter is on some toasted banana bread. So you'll need about 250 grams of softened butter. It needs to be softened so it whips and it becomes light and fluffy. So bring it out of the fridge a good couple of hours before you start whipping this. It goes into a food processor, and I'm using unsalted butter for this recipe, and I'll be adding some salt at the end. And now for the vanilla, I'm using a vanilla paste. You want something that's really going to have a nice concentrated vanilla flavour. And I love this one because you'll also see the vanilla seeds throughout the butter, just delicious. And we need some sweetness just to tie it all together. So some honey. You could also use maple syrup for this. Just drizzle that in. And that's it. 3 ingredients. It's all about the vanilla, so don't mask it with too many flavours. Butter, honey, and the vanilla. Lid goes on, and I'm going to blend this until it's super smooth. Oh, that smells so good. And look how perfectly whipped that is. That's what we're after. I'll take the blade out, and I've got a hot spoon. Grab a generous scoop, a little quenelle of that, and straight onto our gorgeous banana bread. And a pinch of salt. And that salt is there for a reason. It's actually going to bring out the vanilla taste in that butter. This whipped butter, fantastic on banana bread like this, but it's also great to add to pancakes, pikelets, even waffles.